Mistplay stops working correctly most of the time because key permissions like storage, location, or background activity are disabled, which prevents the app from tracking gameplay and loading rewards properly. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which permissions Mistplay needs, how to enable them, and how to fix tracking or loading issues caused by blocked access. First thing to check is basic app permissions. On Android, go to Settings, open Apps, find Mistplay, and tap Permissions. Mistplay needs access to things like storage and network-related permissions to function correctly. If anything is set to Deny, change it to Allow, so the app can operate normally. Second is Location Access. Some devices restrict apps from running properly unless location is enabled. Mistplay may not always use GPS directly, but blocking location access can still interfere with AD and offer tracking. Set location permission to allow while using the app. Third is background activity. This is one of the most important settings. If Mistplay is restricted from running in the background, it won't properly track game time or refresh rewards. Go into battery settings for the app and disable any optimization or restriction so it can stay active while you play. Fourth is mobile data and Wi-Fi access. If Mistplay is limited to Wi-Fi only or background data is blocked, offers and rewards may not load correctly. Make sure both mobile data and background data usage are enabled for the app. Fifth is system-level restrictions like data saver mode. If data saver is turned on, your phone may silently block Mistplay from syncing in the background. Either turn it off or allow Mistplay as an exception inside data saver settings. After changing permissions, always restart the app completely. Don't just minimize it. Fully close it, reopen it, and stay on the home screen for a few seconds so it can reinitialize tracking and reload permissions. If issues continue, reinstalling Mistplay can reset permission conflicts, but only after you've confirmed the correct settings are enabled first. Otherwise, the same restrictions will come back after reinstall. To summarize, Mistplay permission issues are usually caused by blocked background activity, disabled storage or network access, or restricted data usage. Fixing those permissions restores tracking and normal app behavior. One practical step. Open your phone settings right now, go to Mistplay Permissions, and make sure everything essential is set to allow before reopening the app. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that go straight to the point without unnecessary steps.